Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the on the gpedit channel. Today we are going to increase virtual memory. So if you have low virtual memory, then your game and other specialized software will be lag, freeze, and face other problems. So if you want to get rid of any kind of lag and freezing, let's increase the virtual memory. So first, double click on this PC and then right click on a blank space, then select properties, go to the left top corner and select advanced system setting, click on advanced tab, then select setting under performance, click again advanced tab, now select change under virtual memory. Now you will see a page like this. Now untick the automatically manage paging size for all drives, then select drive, C drive, then select custom size, initial size, maximum size. Initial size should be higher than your RAM size, maximum size as you want, then click set. Again select another drive. If you have lots of drive, then do this for all drive. Select again custom size, initial size, maximum size, then click set, OK. Again apply, OK. Click apply and OK. So there will be a pop-up asking for restart. You click exit without restart, then press Windows and RT together on the keyboard to open RAM, then type gpedit.msc, then press enter or hit OK. After that, local group police editor will be open. As you can see on the screen, expand Windows setting under computer configuration, then expand security setting, then local policies. Now select user rights assignment, select this and go to right side, scroll down and find out lock pages in memory, double click on it. Now select add user or group. Now click on advanced, then find now. Find your user name or user system name or administration name in the list, then select OK, again OK, apply and OK. That's it. Now restart your computer.